Today I am going to present about our project management tools for assignment 1, which is Taiga. Well, first let me talk a little bit more about Taiga. Well, Taiga is an open source agile project management platform that intended for smaller teams of developer, designer, project manager, and other agile methodology practitioner from the fields of marketing to engineering and beyond. While Taiga includes project collaboration, bug tracking, reporting, time tracking, and task management. It also includes a customizable agile functionality such as Kanban boards and backlogs, as well as the agility to track user story and sprint. However, Kanban boards is only available for paid plans only. Taiga offer on-premise and web-based development, compatible with most operating systems, including iOS. The system is available as free, self-hosted version in which projects are public, and paid plans in which projects are remain private. So paid subscription are built in monthly installment for up to 50 user. So pricing for more than 50 user will be vary. While Taiga also was named one of the top 10 open source tool of 2014 by opensource.com. So right now, let me show you the tools. So this is the front page of the tools, which is web host. So this is a web-based what make it different for Taiga than Microsoft Project, other than its features. Taiga also can integrate it with other business system like GitHub, HipCheck, Talkty, and a few more. And then its its layout, actually it's more creative, it's more um, beautiful, as you can see, and it's simple to use, it's highly designed, it's gorgeous and beautiful look, so all day long, so people will not be bored using Taiga. So let me show you my Taiga page. So this is my Taiga profile. You can see how many projects that I've been involved in and how many contacts that I have. So right now, for this assignment, we already have one project um, created, which is Harriet. So you can see the project page, or we can project timeline. So you can see what is your colleague has been posted in the progress of this project. So this is the menu panel. So you can search, there's timeline, backlog, issues, wiki, and theme. So let me show you the theme first. So this is um, the team page. You can see my team member. So you can see Shakirin Borhan is the project owner, and Noliana Baksi also is the project owner. What make it different is that Shakirin is the team leader of this project. You can see here. So then there's Amir Akmal and there's me as a designer. So this is how many so as you can see here is the theme page. For my assignment title, which is human resource management. So from here we can manage our team or our colleagues. So you can see here the um, product owner, stakeholder, and you can assign this title like designing and all that. So by doing this, you can just go to like say like, okay, let me just create a new project. So you can choose your template, which one you want. So let me just choose Kanban. To start to manage your team member, you have to first, of course, key in the project details like your project name, project description. So let me just say um, just put Okay, and then the description. So you can choose either to make it a public project or private. As I can see, as I said previously, private project you have to pay it for the plan. So we just choose the public project and then create project. So you have choose the Kanban layout. Okay. Alright. So I think this is more settling. So as an admin, so because this is my project, this is my I'm the leader of this project. So you can choose. So let's say like other people want to collaborate with this project, you can just choose this features. Okay, you can set no or yes, but then we want to make it just as it is. So you can just add your members, like add new members, or you can just choose. You can choose them by filtering the email to invite, or you just choose. So I will choose Amirul. So then I can choose the role here for my human resource features. So you can choose a designer, front, back, product owner, or stakeholder. So let me just um, choose him as a front of this project. So let's just say the developer of this project. Then I just invite. So because Amir Akmal is already on Taiga, so he will just be added automatically. So then just you can also choose him either to be admin of this project. So we're going to add another two of my team member, Shakirin. So you can choose the role, which is stakeholder, then invite, and then one more team member, which is Nulan Ahmad Balkis. Let's choose her as a designer, then invite. So like I say, if you have chosen to choose them as admin, you can just change the features or not, because I am the project leader, so I will not make them be able to see this page of admin. So permission is where you can choose permission for your team member. Okay, so like design. So in designing, you can enable a member to assign to this role. So there's a lot of features here. This is the post features. You have you have epic, sprint, user story, tasks, issues, and also wiki. So what make this different from project management tool, Microsoft project management tool, is that they can actually post. Either they are the project owner or leader, project owner, stakeholder, or any other kind of role. You can assign them to either to be able to read, or to add, to view, to modify, to comment, or to delete the post that other people has been posted, other team member has posted. So for designing, for because I am the project leader, so I will not make my other colleagues to delete each post that other people has been post. So I can just close or shut off that feature, the delete features, for each post. So then save, and then the other stakeholder. Okay, for stakeholder, they has different types of feature chosen for them. Either they can add or modify and so on. So basically, Taiga have been assigned them to know in adding, modifying, or even delete the epics, the post. So you can also add new roles, like maybe developer, engineer, and then so you can add new roles, more roles to your project. So because my assignment title is human resource management, so I'm going to talk about these tools in managing the team member in project in human resource. So you can go back to the team page. You can see the current team member of this project. Okay, you can choose either to leave or you just to kick your team member. So for in managing human resource, we can add posts here for your colleagues to see, like maybe like payroll. Then it's for designer. This is for the points collected for each roles. Can you can also add okay, you can choose the requirement for the team, and then there you can assign it to anybody else. You can add more. You can choose who is this to assign to. The post is assigned, okay, to check it in. So you can add more stories like what in progress, like um, design for the designer. So in progress. Requirement, then create. So I'll choose this story for Noliana because she is the head designer. Then you have a lot more ready for test or done or archive. So because none of my team member is online right now, so we cannot see their reply. So ready for test, so I can choose this story to add new story. So you can assign each story for each team member or roles that are available in your project. So you can see timeline here. You can see what have been posted to who. Like I've assigned payroll to Liliana and also to the others team member. You can also send a private message to your colleague, like you can just send. You can send it to all of your team members. So that's all for today. So I hope that this project management tools Taiga is is useful to other people. So actually we need more time, or we need more time to discover a lot for these tools for our assignment, not only for our topic but also to the other topic. So that's all for me. I'm Irafana. Thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum.